Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about P0066. What exactly is this trouble code? Now let's go ahead and move on to the agenda of today's video. We're going to be talking about these symptoms, causes, diagnosis, or solutions, and much more. So let's get into it. Now, trouble code overview. What exactly is it? It has to do with the air-assisted injector control circuit or a low circuit condition. This code is triggered when the vehicle's ECM detects a malfunction in the air-assisted injector system, which plays a crucial role in regulating fuel delivery for improved combustion efficiency. Now, identifying this code early is important as it affects engine starting, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. Now, especially during cold starts, proper diagnosis and repair help maintain optimal engine performance and operation and reduce emissions. Now, symptoms we're going to be talking about, and there's going to be a description for each one of them, so I'll give you time to read that. You can go ahead and pause the video if you want to. However, the symptoms are check engine light being on, you're going to have hard starting when it's cold, poor fuel efficiency, and misfires. So I'm going to give you a couple seconds to pause it. You may be on a TV watching. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get to the causes of this. Now this one's going to be the same thing. I'm going to list off the causes. You can go ahead and read the description if you want to, but faulty air-assisted injector, you can have damaged wiring harness, vacuum leak in the injector system, blown fuse or defective relay, or a malfunctioning ECM. So I'll give you a second to take a look at that. You can go ahead and pause it right now, but we're going to be moving on in a couple seconds. So moving on, diagnosing the P0066 code is you're going to want to scan for codes, all right? Use an OBD2 scanner to do a diagnostic. Inspect wiring connectors, so any frayed, corroded wiring is best to be visually inspected. Test injector functionality, which just verify the operation of air-assisted injector using appropriate tools to ensure responds correctly to control signals and does not leak or malfunction. Assess the ECM communication and control over the injector system, including checking for software faults or need for programming. Now I'm going to go ahead and read the solutions. So replace faulty injector, replace wiring connectors. You could also replace blown fuses or inspect and reprogram ECM. Now reprogramming ECM we'll get into really quickly, and I'll tell you how to do it. But key diagnostic tools, OBD2 scanner or ECM reprogramming tools. Now, when it comes to reprogramming the ECM, a lot of the OBD2 tools, at least the digital ones, give you the option to program or reprogram ECM. So moving on here, impact on vehicle performance is just going to be your engine performance, fuel efficiency, and vehicle drivability. Preventive maintenance tips I have for you is just visually inspect your car and just in general take care of your car, right? If you notice a clicking sound or any other, very absurd sounds, it's best that you get that checked as soon as possible, as, this is just a lot of preventative maintenance tips. But moving on, summary and next steps is the key points that this relates to the air-assisted injector control circuit issue. Recommended steps: OBD2 scanner, multimeter to check, any, issues, or replace any blown fuses. Now, replacing blown fuses, it's very easy. However, there's a coil inside the fuse that you're gonna want to go ahead and take a look at. Ensure that the coil is intact. If it's fried, then replace it with the right amperage fuse. But if it's not, then put it back. Move on to the next problem. But thank you guys for watching another OBD mastery video. Thank you for checking out our videos. Check out our catalog where we have more videos revolving P0 codes. Until then, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all for the next one.